Today, we embark on a journey into the art of breath awareness, where the simple act of breathing becomes a gateway to a more conscious and fulfilling existence. Let's start at the very beginning, the basics. We breathe without much thought, an automatic rhythm that sustains our life. But have you ever paused to ponder the intricate mechanics behind each breath? Join me as we unravel the fascinating details of the breath, the silent symphony that orchestrates our every moment. Breathing is not merely the exchange of air, it's a dance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. With each inhale, we invite life-sustaining oxygen into our bodies. As our cells utilize this oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct, a substance that needs to be released. And so, the dance continues, a delicate balance that keeps the wheels of life turning. Picture this, a muscular marvel known as the diaphragm takes center stage in our respiratory ballet. As we inhale, the diaphragm contracts, creating space for our lungs to expand. Upon exhaling, it relaxes, gently pushing air out. This rhythmic dance is the heartbeat of our breath, an unconscious waltz that accompanies us from the first cry of infancy to the peaceful exhale of old age. Practical exercises for breath awareness. Let's not just talk about it, let's practice. Here are a few simple exercises to kickstart your journey into breath awareness. 1. Box breathing. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 4. Pause for a count of 4. Repeat. This rhythmic practice not only enhances breath awareness but also induces a sense of calmness and focus. 2. Body scan breathing. As you inhale, mentally scan your body from head to toe, observing any areas of tension. Upon exhaling, release the tension and allow the breath to soothe each part of your body. Repeat this process, creating a harmonious flow between breath and relaxation. 3. Noticing the pause. In between each inhale and exhale, there's a natural pause. Bring your attention to this moment of stillness. Observe the quiet space between breaths, appreciating the serenity it offers. As you become attuned to these pauses, you'll find a deeper connection to the essence of breath. Understanding the basics of breathing opens the door to a world unseen, a world within ourselves. Cultivating breath awareness is not a destination but a journey into the depths of our own existence. As you embark on this path, remember that breath awareness is a gift you give yourself. It's a moment-by-moment choice to be present, to honor the breath that sustains you.